Dumpster Rental, Lexington, South Carolina. If you're in need of reliable dumpster rental services in Lexington, South Carolina, trust Midlands Dumpster Services LLC. We provide a hassle-free solution for all your waste disposal needs, whether you're tackling a home renovation, cleaning out your garage, or managing a construction site. Our dumpsters come in various sizes to accommodate projects of all sizes, ensuring that you get the right fit for your specific requirements. At Midlands Dumpster Services LLC, we prioritize convenience and customer satisfaction. We offer prompt delivery and pickup services, allowing you to focus on your project while we take care of the waste. Our dumpsters are well maintained and delivered on time, so you can dispose of debris efficiently without any stress. Our team is here to assist you in choosing the best dumpster size for your needs, and we offer flexible rental periods to suit your timeline. Whether you need a short-term rental or a longer one, we've got you covered. Call us today at 803-608-6437 to get started with affordable dumpster rental services in Lexington, South Carolina. Let Midlands Dumpster Services LLC help you keep your space clean and organized throughout your project.